everyone, welcome to the product launch of KaseSync. My name is Amisha, marketing professional at Grozity and your host for this session. If I talk about today's era, maintaining direct communication with your customers is very important, right? That's why facilitating a smooth customer experience becomes essential. And an important reason to initiate this practice is to simplify the process and obtain a bird eye view of your customers. This is only possible when the community platform and the CRM platform are in perfect alignment. I hope you all agree with me. Else, the collected information will not only create interdepartment confusion but can also lead to data loss and, of course, hamper the customer experience. So, to make it all happen, we at Grozity invented the first ever community CRM connector, KaseSync. To introduce our new product, I would like to welcome Vikas Bedwal, technical lead with Grozity, who will enlighten us with all that KaseSync does and how it enables brands to deliver a stellar customer experience. Over to you, Vikas.
Thank you, Misha, for warm welcome. Hello, everyone. Hope you are enjoying this event. I am Vikas Bedwal, technical lead at Grozity Interactive. I have been working here for more than 7 years now, and I have expertise in developing tools for process automation. I also provide guidance and direction to the development team. And today I'm here with you to present a new product, KaseSync, an innovative case connector. So let's get started. I'm sharing my screen. Hope my screen is visible to all of you. KaseSync. So what is KaseSync? As the name defines, it syncs your knowledge, it syncs your cases between different platforms, and it enables you to flow the data bidirectionally between these platforms. And if I talk about the platforms, it can be online community like Khoros, Hybrid, or Hylogic Vanilla. And it can be CRM like Salesforce, NetSuite, MS Dynamics, and many others. And in case if you have any homegrown systems, so don't worry about that. KaseSync support that as well. Now you want to know that why we developed this product. What was the need for this product? As you know that most of the companies are using multiple business solutions, and back and forth between these solutions can result repetitive and unproductive business processes. So to overcome this issue, we developed this product, KaseSync. So now here I would like to make you understand how KaseSync works. To make you understand, I'll take a simple scenario here. Suppose you are using a laptop and you are facing an issue inside that laptop, maybe like reboot issue. So to get the help, what will you do? You can go to their community, you can find the solutions, you will see similar kind of results from the community. But maybe suppose in case you are not able to find what you are looking for, in that case, you need more help. And to get more help, you can go to the support area inside the community and you can try to create a case. But in general, what happens when you will try to create a case, it will redirect you from community to the CRM. Now, this is a pain point for customer as well as for the business. Like for customer, it's not user friendly at all because just to create a case, they need to go to the different platforms. And for business, they have to buy CRM licenses if they want their customer to make them unable to create the case on the CRM. So now here, KaseSync is a one-stop solution here for you. If KaseSync is implemented in your community, in that case, your customer will be able to create the cases from the community itself. They do not need to go anywhere else. They do not need to go inside the CRM. And business do not need to buy any CRM licenses. So while they'll try to create a case from the community, KaseSync will showcase them existing relevant case recommendations. And here, if they are able to get the solutions, it means your case is deflected. And that's what we call case deflection. And in case you are not able to find the solutions, so your case will be created. And that newly created case will be synced to the CRM. Now your support rep can have a look at your case and can add comments at top of that case. Now all the comments added by support rep will be synced back to the community. Now you know how KaseSync works. Now moving to the next slide, here I would like to explain the key features of KaseSync. Coming to the first feature, this is automatic post to case escalation. Here, CaseSync will help you to moderate all your posts. Suppose today you have created a post, and that post goes unanswered for certain time period. You can say for 7 days. So after 7 days, that post will be converted into case automatically. Now it can be automatic or manual. As you can see in the screenshot, you can see escalate button inside of every note inside of most of the posts which are more than 7 days older. So when you will click on this button, this post will be converted into case from directly from community to CRM, and then support rep can have a look at that case and provide you the required assistance. So the next feature is federated search on case create form. As we discussed earlier in our workflow, that while you will try to create a case, CaseSync will help you with the similar results. Now the interesting thing is these results are not only coming from the community, but these results are also coming from the CRM. And this can be a useful feature for your business in case if you have multiple content sources. Moving to the next one, which is seamless knowledge base sync. This is one of my favorite feature, and as CaseSync does not only sync the cases, it also sync your knowledge bases as well. And this process can be automatic or manual. And it will help us to track every articles which is synced from community to CRM or CRM to community, which it will also be bidirectional. And at end of the day, business will get an email in case if there was any failure in the sync process. So this can be a useful information for the business. Intuitive admin panel. Again, this is an interesting feature. Here admin will have an option to do all their config changes on the basis of their business requirements. Like if they want to change the case fields, if they want to change the case list field, case create fields, so they can do it themselves. They do not need to come every time for a single change. They can do it themselves. Here I would like to share the enhanced feature of CaseSync. Few of them are favorite for me, like community Jira integration, community Slack integration. So these are the features which make us different than other solutions in the market. Like CaseSync will help you to integrate your community with the Jira, with the Slack. It totally depends on your business use case, how you want to integrate it. So we are pretty much flexible to do that. And like by default, CRM does not allow you to upload the files more than 25 MB in size. But using CaseSync, you can upload the files in gigabytes as well. This is really a useful feature. Now here I would like to share how CaseSync is beneficial for the business. Like it can reduce your cost, like you do not need to buy the CRM license for your customers, for all your community customers. It can increase the productivity, the case resolution process faster than ever, the improved self-service. And before moving to the next part, let's recap with a short video.
Delayed responses, complex case management, poor customer experience. Combat all these challenges with a one-stop solution. Introducing CaseSync, first ever connector that integrates online community with your CRM system. With CaseSync in your corner, experience one-click case escalation, seamless bi-directional data flow, effortless case management, robust administrative control, advanced suggestive search, your perfect partner for delivering a seamless support experience. From the House of Grezity. Delayed response.
And it brings us to the end of the session. Now let's move on to the fire chat to discuss some business use cases of CaseSync. So see you there. Okay, let's start with the fire chat. Here, I'm going to brief you about the business use case of CaseSync. With me, I have Ram Goel, who is a program manager at KaseSync. KaseSync is a leading data management provider, and rightfully, they have gained many recognitions to their name, including Forbes Cloud 100, Gartner's Magic Quadrant, and CRN Coolest Cloud companies. It's been 3 years that we are working with Cohesity, and this has been an amazing journey so far. So, Ram, can you please tell us more about yourself and Cohesity?
Okay, sure. Hello everyone. I have around 10 years of experience in knowledge management for both support and product documentation as well. And currently, like I'm working with Cohesity as a knowledge program manager. So Cohesity is, as Vikas said, is a next gen data management platform. So our documentation, the like primary use case for us was documentation. Is it is highly complex documentation and which is targeted for a very technical audience, like all these people are administrators of the backup jobs in there. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. It's impressive, Ram, how Cohesity is innovating data management practices. So, Ram, when you reached out to us, you were looking for a solution that could sync your Salesforce and Confluence knowledge base. And
Yes.
after going through your requirements, we recommended KaseSync to you. So, Ram, I want to ask you, what were the challenges Cohesity faced before using KaseSync, and how Cohesity benefited from KaseSync?
Okay. So the problem statement for us was pretty simple. Like all of our engineers, they were using Confluence for knowledge management, and all our SRE support staff and everything, all our customers, they were in Salesforce platform. So all our entire knowledge base articles, they sit in Salesforce. Now, as you all are aware, Salesforce licenses can be pretty expensive for someone who just needs it for knowledge purposes. So what we did was we basically uh, deployed KaseSync to create a bridge between Confluence and Salesforce. Now every knowledge base article that we have sits also on Confluence, and it becomes easy for the engineers and the SREs, which is the support engineers, to collaborate and create documentation which can help in case deflection. And also like in terms of efficiency, right? Earlier, SREs would use a certain knowledge base article, and if it did not work, they would have to create a separate Google Doc or Confluence page to share it with the engineers for reference. However, now since we have exact replica sitting in Confluence, and it can be easily shared across different teams, and now our engineers also can proactively contribute to those knowledge base articles, which can drive case deflection further.
Great. That's awesome, Ram. And we are glad that KaseSync was able to meet your expectations. Just like you have Salesforce and Confluence knowledge bases, almost every company leverages multiple business solutions. And switching between these solutions can impact their productivity. So, a solution like KaseSync that integrates business solutions can maximize the output. In fact, while developing KaseSync, that is what we aimed for. Now, I'm curious to know, why did you prefer KaseSync over business solutions?
Okay. So we reviewed two different solutions. One was Z Agile Knowledge Bridge, and the other one was Service Rocket Publisher. So compared to those solutions, KaseSync I feel is much more advanced. Firstly, most of the tools, if you go to them, they will only publish content from either from Confluence to Salesforce or from Salesforce to Confluence, and no one does bi-directional sync. Then content migration. So with KaseSync, we were able to migrate all our existing knowledge base articles in Salesforce to Confluence, I think in just 2 days, which was like more than 2,500 knowledge base articles. Uh, However, every other vendor, they asked us to, if we can hire some people and get it done via some contractors, and that would have taken, as you all know, months. And so then the final thing, which was, I would say, the best thing for us, was they were able to manage all the additional, like all the metadata that we have in Salesforce. For example, if you know, right, Salesforce knowledge base articles, you can create as many fields as you want, and for your customers to e-search, or for tags for your reference. Now, most of the people, since Salesforce is like a simple blank page, most of the people, they were offering just to migrate content from one source to the other. However, in KaseSync, you can use macros, and handle each field as the way you want. And also, I feel it's pretty much the development team, and they are very flexible. They were very flexible throughout the entire process when we deployed, and anything that we required, they pretty much developed within a couple of days. So that was the best part.
Thank you, Ram. So that's fascinating, Ram. Thank you for highlighting that side of CaseSync. Your kind words really inspire us to do even better. And with this, we have come to the end of this fire chat. We would like to thank you, Ram, and our audience for being with us today. If you have any query or need any consultation regarding CaseSync, meet me at the lounge area. And to learn more about CaseSync, you can visit our website or drop us an email at info@casesync.com, and we will take it from there. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
I think that was a very insightful session. Thank you so much, Vikas and Ram, for sharing your key insights with us today. Also, I would like to remind everyone that our subject matter experts are available in the lounge area and the booth. Please feel free to catch up with them for more information about our services and products. And now, let's join the next keynote session titled The Metaverse Molecules: How Communities Will Shape the Future of UX. See you there.